Only then will we truly be called nature worshippers. Enhance your superfood. Due to the delicious natural foods our ancestors used to be healthy and fit. Today, we don't like it taste. Our children never tasted it and we never thought it's necessary to tell them about it. Like katai saag, utpal saag, koinar saag, veng saag, chapar saag and many more. It is missing from our menu. This tribal superfood works to boost our defense system. This superfood is a storehouse of vitamins and minerals. Now it's our responsibility to promote and preserve this superfood.